So our new title, calculation of the oxidation number of the elements， 算出元素某某元素它的 oxidation number。oxidation number increase 叫 oxidation。oxidation number decrease 叫 reductions。So to determine the oxidation number, any method， 所以要怎样找出那个元素的 oxidation number？ If you don't know the oxidation number, you don't know whether they undergo oxidation or reduction， 所以整课就不能读了，对不对？ Or what is mean by oxidation number? Oxidation number is a charge carried by an ion or an atom of an element in a compound。Oxidation number 就是某某元素的原子它的 charge， 某某元素它的离子，如果它的原子变离子，它的离子的 charge 就叫 oxidation number。Okay？So to determine the oxidation number, we need to follow certain rules. 如果要找到某某元素它的原子离子的 oxidation number， 它的 charge， we need to follow certain rules. So now we highlight only on your notes, one by one. 弟姐妹你自己找一下，你 pause video 自己找一下，我懒惰。Okay. So number one, the rules number one. 第一个 rules. The oxidation number of an atom or molecule in the neutral element is 0。Okay? The oxidation number of an atom or molecule in the neutral element is 0. So for neutral element, neutral 的元素，不带电的元素。Okay? So the oxidation number of the atom， 它的原子或者是它的分子啊，the oxidation number is equal to 0. But any example, okay? So zinc atom is neutral, so the oxidation number 0. Magnesium atom is neutral, so that oxidation number is 0. Hydrogen molecule, the molecule, okay, it is neutral, so the oxidation number is equal to 0. Chlorine molecule is also neutral. Or remember, molecule 分子，它们都是 neutral 的。Or why？ 为什么它们都是 neutral 呢？ Oxygen molecule, the oxidation number is 0. Or another meaning, they are neutral. But why they are neutral？ 为什么它是 neutral 的呢？ I show you， 证明给你看，给你心服口服了。Chlorine atom having the electron arrangement 2.8.7 and 2.8.7, or because of 0.7 they are not stable, so they like to share electron with their friends. 他喜欢跟他的朋友 share electrons, so finally make themselves become stable octet 2.8.8. 2.8.8. But when they're sharing electron, they're not lost electron, they just share only. 他们只是公司罢了， they not give， 他不是给。And they don't receive， 他也没有收到，对不对？ So at the end, even they become stable, okay, they share electron, but they're still neutral. They don't lose the electron, they don't gain the electron. 他没有不见 electron， 他也没有收到 electron. So 这种情况就是我们所谓的 neutral 啦。Okay, so neutral 的 elements, neutral 的元素，不管它是原子、分子都好 ，they are oxidation number 0啦，就是不带电的意思。Okay.So this is the first rules， 它的第一个规则。Number two, highlight first， 你负责明白就可以了啊，没有人问你怎样算 oxidation number 的，你自己要会算 ，you understand enough。来 B number two, second rules. For the ion, they are formed from a single tau element only. Okay.The oxidation number is same as the charge carried by the ions. So some of the ions, okay, it just made up of one type of element only. 有些离子它里面只有一种原子形成罢了，对不对？ So 这个离子的 charge 就是它的 oxidation number 啦。But 什么意思呢？ For the ion, they are formed from a single tau element only. Or this tau ion 这种离子啊，我们叫它 monoatomic ion。一种原子形成的离子也叫 monoatomic ions. Okay, so the oxidation number is same as the charge carried by the ion. 它的 oxidation number 就是它的离子带的 charge 来的。Any example 有什么例子呢 ？Okay, simple 啦。Potassium, sodium, lithium, when they become ion, their ion will carry the charge 1 positive 一加。Okay.And so the ion having the oxidation number positive 1加1。Remember ion， 当你要讲它的离子的时候，你要讲 number 先 1 positive。 Or when you talk about oxidation number, positive, negative must be in front. 要讲大反 and this is a rules. You cannot simply make it become opposite. 不可以倒反过来啊，要扣分的。Magnesium, calcium, when they become ion, their ion carry the charge to positive, so their oxidation number is positive too. So 有些离子它里面只有一种原子，它的离子的 charge 就是它的 oxidation number 了。Aluminium ion, the charge is 3 positive, so the oxidation number is positive 3. Oxide, sulfide, okay, oxygen and sulfur, when they become ion, they'll become the oxide or sulfide. So their ion charge to negative, okay, so the oxidation number is negative 2. 它的 oxidation number 就是 negative 2了 ，OK， 有等到你吗？OK。Or fluoride, chloride, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodines. When they become ion, they'll become fluoride, chloride, bromide, iodide, and all of them charge 1 negative. So the oxidation number is negative 1. OK， 就我等到你我散开，查好了没有 ？I continue， 我又出来。Next， the third rules， 第三个规则 ，OK，highlight first。Remember, you just responsible to be understand 啊，你负责明白就可以了。So number 3, the oxidation number of the oxygen in a compound is usually negative 2. The oxidation number of the oxygen in a compound is usually negative 2. Oxygen, when they become ion in a compound, the charge is normally negative 2. Nevertheless, oxygen can also display an oxidation number negative 1. So from this sentence, they just want to tell you one thing only. 它只是要告诉你一件事情罢了。Oxygen, when they become ion, normally the ion charge to negative, or the oxidation number is negative 2. 它大致上都是减2减2的。Okay, so oxygen in the sulfuric acid, the oxidation number is negative 2. 它在 sulfuric acid 里面呢，它的 ion， 它的 charge 呢是 negative 2. Okay, oxygen in the water is still negative 2. Oxygen in the calcium oxide is also negative 2. Oxygen in the sodium nitrate is also negative 2. But sometimes after the calculation, 有时候你算过后啊 ，you suddenly get the answer maybe negative 1， 你可能不小心算到 negative 1 ，but in your mind， 在你脑里面呢 ，you just remember negative 2， so that time you will be panic 嘛，当时你就会惊慌丢起来，对不对？吓一大跳，脸色变 ，OK， 变颜色了。Understand? So oxygen sometimes it can become negative 1 and don't be surprised 啊，不要吓到自己就可以了。Next， 第4个规则 highlight。Okay, the oxidation number of hydrogen in a compound is usually positive 1. Hydrogen, when they become ion, 当它变成离子的时候，它的价是1 positive. So oxidation number is positive 1. Nevertheless, 不过啊 hydrogen can also display an oxidation number of negative 1. Hydrogen 有时候啊 the oxidation number can become negative 1. 它可以变成减的。So when you one day when you make your calculation, 有一天你做算草 you calculate the oxidation number, you get the answer negative 1. 你拿到的答案是减1啊，你变青去，对不对？变黑去也不是青去。So hydrogen in nitric acid positive 1, hydrogen in water positive 1, hydrogen in sulfuric acid positive 1, hydrogen in ammonia should be positive 1, but hydrogen in sodium hydride, okay, it can be negative 1. 不要吓到，小事一件罢了，明白吗？ So this is a example. 再来第5个 rules. Highlight first. 先 highlight. Okay. Group 17 element may show the positive oxidation number when they are bonded to the more electronegative elements. So group 17 element, when they become ion, their ion will be 1 negative. 它的离子永远都是一减。So the oxidation number should be negative 1， 就是减1啦。But remember from this sentence， 从这个句子啊，要看好好。Group 17 element may show the positive oxidation number when they're bonded to the more electronegative elements, so sometimes they can become positive. 它本来是减益的，不过有时候它变成加的时候，不要惊慌 ，Don't panic and don't be scared. 不要怕，小事一件来的。So whatever answer you get 啊，你算到的答案就是答案了，不要怕，明白吗？ So Corinne, it can just positive one. In this style ion, I don't know how to call this style ion. Okay, so Corinne, it can just different. Even it can just positive. Bromine also, it can be just positive 1, positive 7, positive 5. Iodine also the same, 其实也是一样的，明白吗？ So group 17, sometimes they just the oxidation number become positive. Don't be surprised. 不要吓到自己。Okay, so this is some of the rules that you should know before you start the calculation of oxidation number. Okay, 再来一句，第6 highlight. Some elements such as manganese and nitrogen 这两个人最假了的 ，OK, display various different oxidation number. So manganese, nitrogens, they can just whatever. 它的 just 可以是任何的 just. You try to remember also useless. 你要去背也没有用，你算到什么就等于什么了 ，OK. So manganese, it can just whatever. Manganese in the manganese nitrate, it just positive 2. Okay, so manganese, it can just positive 4, positive 6, positive 7, but don't go to remember, 不要去背啦。OK, 我会教你怎样算的，你当天算出来就可以了，明白吗？ Or nitrogen, it also just varies. It also display different oxidation number. 它可以带很多种的电的。Okay, it can be negative 3, positive 1, positive 2, 3, 4, or 5. So don't be surprised. 不要自己吓自己，小事来的，明白吗？ Okay, so these are some of the rules before you can make your calculation for oxidation number. Okay, but I'm going to prepare another video. And we repeat again. 我们重复一点点刚才讲的事情 and we start to make calculation. 过后我们就要开始做算草了，明白吗？算 oxidation number. Okay, so see you in another new